My true fear is not actually grasshoppers. Well, they are my fear, but there is one that is worse. There is a worse bug. Only one bug. It is just the worst bug. I have a feeling there might be some of this bug in this pot, to be honest. I feel as though that little dash was a... There were...
Fuck!
Oh no! This is like an actual phobia for me! Anything but that bug! Anything but that bug! I told you. That's my true biggest fear is the mighty cockroach. I never revealed it before because it is it's my biggest weakness. I saw one in real life once and I think it actually gave me trauma. It was like the scariest moment of my life was when I saw one in real life.